Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your apps on Redmi. So guys, let's continue and go to your mobile settings. Now swipe down until you see the option app lock and tap on it. Tap on hidden apps or swipe right. Now select the app you want to hide. So I'm choosing my WhatsApp. So guys, as you can see, your app has been hidden and that's why you can hide your apps on Redmi. And guys, now if you want to go your hidden apps, then go back and now put your two fingers straight on the mobile screen and rub the top side and tap on the search bar and search WhatsApp. And guys, you can see your WhatsApp, so tap on it. And guys, that's why you can go to your hidden apps. And that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.